Hi everyone, I'm immigration attorney Yasin Akalan. Today we are diving into one of the most prestigious green card categories in the US immigration law, the EB-1A Extraordinary Ability Green Card. This category is for those who can confidently say, I made a real impact in my field. And the best part is, you don't need a job offer or employer sponsor. You can apply on your own based solely on your accomplishments. And this is not a temporary visa, it leads to directly permanent residency in the United States. People often compare it to the O1 visa because both are for individuals with extraordinary ability. But don't forget, O1 is a temporary non-immigrant visa. EB-1A is a path to a green card. And yes, it's harder to get because these standards are higher. In this video, we'll cover what is the EB-1A category, who qualifies, what documents are needed, what's the process like, and how do you know if this is the right path for you. So let's get started. What is EB-1A and who can apply? EB-1A is for individuals with extraordinary ability in science, arts, education, business, athletics. And to qualify, you must show sustained national or international acclaim in your field. For example, if you're a researcher or professor with groundbreaking publications and awards, or a professional athlete with international rankings or medals, a business leader with a record of innovative success and recognition, then EB-1A might be for you. And remember, no employer sponsorship needed. You file the petition yourself. You self-petition. Premium processing is available to speed things up, but USCIS will ask the key question. Are you truly among the small percentage at the very top of your field? And more importantly, can you prove it? What kind of evidence is required for the EB-1A? USCIS lists 10 criteria for proving extraordinary ability. You must meet at least 3 of them. Some examples include receiving nationally or internationally recognized prizes or awards, published materials about you in major media or trade publications, original contributions of major significance in your field, serving as a judge of others' work, holding a leading or critical role in prestigious organizations, earning a high salary compared to others in your field. Each case is unique. A scientist might focus on publications and peer review roles, while an artist might emphasize exhibitions and critical reviews. One very important component in almost every EB-1A petition is strong recommendation letters. Typically 8-9 letters minimum, from well-established experts in your field. These should clearly explain what sets you apart, not just say you're great. It needs to show solid evidence. What's the application process for the EB-1A? The EB-1A green card process has 2 main steps. Step 1, Form I-140 petition. This is where you prove you meet the EB-1A criteria. You submit a detailed petition with all supporting evidence. Currently, normal processing time is at about 14 months. However, with premium processing, you can get a response within 15 business days. But remember, filing the I-140 is not the same as applying for a green card yet. Step 2, adjustment of status or consular processing. For your extraordinary ability green card, EB-1A. Once your form I-140 is approved, you move to the second phase, actually applying for the green card. But here's an important note. EB-1A is subject to the annual visa cap. So you need to check the visa bulletin to see if your category is current. If it's current, you're in the United States, you can file for I-485, even maybe at the same time as your I-140. But there's a risk. If your I-140 gets denied and if your I-485 is pending, you can lose your I-485 filing fee and all your efforts. So definitely talk to an immigration attorney who is an expert in this field before you file these concurrently. If you're outside the United States, that's not a problem. You'll have to go through the consular processing after your I-140 approval, and you'll need to get an immigrant visa from a US consulate or embassy. So let's recap. No sponsor needed. You apply on your own. Path to a green card, designed for those who made a real impact in their field. But it's not for everyone. USCIS looks closely at every application. Even strong candidates can get denied if their evidence isn't well organized or persuasive. And that's why it's crucial to prepare your petition strategically and clearly backed by solid documents, strong letters, and expert guidance. If you're wondering EB-1A could be the right path for you, we'll be happy to take a look and give you a feedback. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll do our best to get back to you. See you in the next video.